Does it matter which uni I go to?
It matters because you need to choose the university that's right for you, and that could be because of where it is. You might decide you want to be in a big city or a small town, or living near green fields. But also it matters because courses are different at different universities. So for example, if you said, I want to study an English degree, and looked at the many universities that offer that, they'll all be slightly different and have a different focus. So you do need to check very carefully that the course is right for you and the university is right for you. And the best way to do that is by visiting the universities to see. It also can matter because for some employers, they'll visit particular universities and favour particular universities. Lots won't, but you do need to think about which university is best for you.
What are skills employers look for?
Employers look for lots of skills, particular ones that most graduate employers ask for and will ask you to evidence in interview are teamwork and also leadership skills, and things like problem solving and time management are very important, whatever career you go into. They're also very keen on business awareness, so having an understanding of the sort of work that you're going to do and preferably some experience in that area, but definitely to understand what the role is like that you're applying for.
What is a placement or an internship?
A placement is when you get experience, work experience within your course. So if you have a course that has a sandwich year or perhaps 6 months where you go out into a workplace and experience the workplace. An internship is usually something that you get yourself. It could be while you're studying at university or afterwards, and it's where you again go into an employer and work for them, but it's not part of your course. So it might be that you're studying a general course and want to work in a particular area. Let's say you're doing history, but you decide you want to work in business, and you go and get an internship in a business role so that you gain that experience.
How can I find out about graduate jobs?
There's a very good website called prospects.ac.uk that tells you about all the different types of graduate jobs. Equally, you can use any sort of book or computer package that tells you about jobs and just see if they're graduate level jobs or not, and read more about them. The other thing you can do is obviously attend careers fairs and talk to people who do different jobs to find out what they do, and just keep thinking about whether those jobs might suit you in the long term.
Is there help available at uni, for example, if you're disabled or have dyslexia?
Yes, all universities will have help, usually within student support at the university. And if you do have particular needs, that's another thing to check out, I would say, before you apply, and see what the support is that's available for you, yes.
What if I want to go to uni but I don't get the grades?
If you're on track to get the grades and you apply to university and then don't get them, there is a process called clearing, where all universities in the UK will advertise the places that they have, spare places on courses, and some people do get to university that way at the last minute. But the main thing is, I would say, when you apply on the UCAS form, do put in at least one university that's asking for lower grades in the subject or subjects you want to study than you're predicted or likely to get, just in case you don't get the grades that you're expecting.
When you finish at uni, do you have to get a job which is related to the degree?
No, you don't. You can if you want to, and but there are also lots of courses out there that are more generic. About 60% of graduate jobs are open to you whatever you've studied at university. So there are exceptions, for example, science-related roles where you need to have studied a particular course. But yes, there are a lot of jobs open to you whatever you've studied at uni. And the good thing is that if you do want to go into a professional job that needs a particular qualification, you can always do a postgrad qualification afterwards in that particular role. For example, teaching, accountancy, law, etc.